Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to convert scanned images to searchable PDF documents. We have few scanned image files. We would like to convert this into searchable PDF documents. To do that, open your favorite browser. Go to image2go.com. Click on Convert Image to Document icon. Click on Choose File, or you can drag and drop the image file here. Select the image files on your computer and click Open. Selected files has been uploaded. Scroll down. Under Settings section, click on the drop-down menu below the target format. Select PDF from the drop-down menu. Now select the option that says Convert with OCR. Select the source language of your file, or you can also use the automatic detection option. Under Optional Settings, select the quality for the output file. If you choose the best quality, output file size will also be larger. Under Merge section, enable the checkbox to merge the image files in one single PDF. Click on the Start button to begin the conversion process. Wait for few seconds. That's it, conversion is completed. Click on the Download button next to the file. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and select Show in Folder. Double-click on the file to open it. Click on the search icon at the top. Enter a word you would like to search in this document. As you can see, the word is being highlighted. Click Next to find multiple occurrences of the same word. This is how you can convert scanned images to searchable PDF documents. Thank you for watching.